We are Byte. We build AI solutions that work in the real world. We bring intelligence to life with our smart hardware. From robotic arms that craft coffee and cocktails, to smart robots, AI-powered cameras, wearables, our hardware forms the touch points of future interaction. In education, we empower curiosity with UGOT. Our AI-enabled robots help children learn to code, build logic, and understand intelligence from classroom to home. But the real power is the software behind it. Wonder AI is our multi-agent platform, enabling intelligent agents that think, speak, and act. Of course, how can I help you today? With ChatX, Agent 47, and our visual development tools, businesses can automate services, create assistance, and scale seamlessly. We also offer fully customizable ERP systems based on Odoo, adapted to your workflow. Build CRM tools, automate workflows, and integrate AI across industries. At our AI Experience Store in Brisbane, you can interact with robots, explore AI demos, and see the future in action.